Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I like to give an introduction to complex circuits that are a combination of series and parallel at the same time. As you can imagine, in simple series and parallel circuits, there are simple rules and formulas you could follow. But in more complicated circuits that are a combination of both, there is no simple way to solve them. So you will have to use careful reasoning and foresight in order to solve problems involving these types of circuits. For example, if you are given a schematic like this, you can see that the overall circuit is a series, but there are parts where it breaks into parallel junctions. So we use the parallel circuit rules for the junctions and the series circuit rules only and only after you condense the parallel junctions into an equivalent resistance. And a lot of times, the diagrams will not be as neat as this, but will actually look more messy, like this. So you'll have to be familiar with how electricity flows from negative to positive, as well as be familiar with the fact that the dots refers to connection points for the ends of the resistors, in order to express it in terms of a series parallel circuit that you can easily analyze. For example, if we examine this carefully, we can see R1 and R2 are connected at the same exact spots. So we'd express this as a parallel circuit. And the same exact logic holds for R3 and R4, so we do a parallel circuit substitution for them too. If we were given something even more messy like this, we'd see that this time R5 and R7 in series are parallel with R6, and it is no longer a simple parallel junction. And similarly, R3 and R4 in series are parallel with R5. R2 is in parallel with R3 alone. And last but not least, R1 is in series with everything else. So we have successfully converted a very complicated diagram into something that is simpler to understand. Although being well versed in series and parallel circuit rules individually, and then condensing series parallel circuits as them is a good strategy, there are other, although somewhat more advanced methods. They will help you problem solve series parallel circuits as well. And I'd like to talk about the most simplest of these two, which is how power works in a circuit, and how, unlike voltage or current, or even resistance, power works the same both in series and parallel circuits. It is always a simple summation. So that means that power is a more reliable calculation/measurement than something like voltage, current, or resistance, which always changes on a case-by-case basis. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.